APC say they don't want peace. Tell them say on Saturday, Yawa go there. If they try to rig us, Yawa go there. If they try to rig us, Yawa go there. On Saturday, you do anyhow, you see anyhow. On Saturday, you do anyhow, you see anyhow. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell the people of Kogi State that Dino Melaye is not going to be an Oku governor. Dino Melaye is not going to be an Egbira governor. Dino Melaye is not going to be an Igala governor. Dino Melaye is going to be the governor of Kogi State. I am not going to be a Christian governor. I am not going to be a Muslim governor. But I will govern with the fear of God. Out of everybody that is contesting, 18 of us looking for the position of governor in Kogi State, I am the only gubernatorial candidate with the 3 E's. I'm the only one with the 3 E's. I am the most educated. I am the most experienced. I am the most exposed. PDP. My people of Kogi, I am also the tallest in all ramifications. And I will also tell you, if you drop Ododo on top of Yaya Bello, I'm still taller than both of them. If I say percentage salary, if there are people that are here, you say, Oze. Percentage salary. Oze. No pension. Oze. Corruption. Oze. Bad road. Oze. Killings. Oze. Missing persons. Oze. And I want to tell us, and I want to say, ta 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 ta. Oh, when I say anything now, you say Otoge. You say Otoge. Corruption. Percentage salary. Retrenchment. No pension. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to announce to the people of Kogi that every civil servant that have been unjustly sacked by Yaya Bello, within 3 months in office, we will reinstate all of you. I also want to promise you that we shall return local government administration back to the people. Today, if your local government fund is coming from Abuja, there is a toll gate in Lokoja. 75% will be removed and 25% will be sent home. If you know that that is coming to an end, wave your hand and do bye-bye to APC. Bye-bye to APC. Bye-bye to APC. Ladies, local government budget. And the legislature in the local government approved budget. When last did any local government chairman read any budget? I want to challenge all the 21 local government chairmen that for the past 7 years, none of them have seen allocation paper with their eyes. Not one of them. And I can bet my liver that in 7 years, no civil servant in Kogi State have collected complete salary for 1 month. It is so painful that we are in such a deplorable position that a permanent secretary, a serving permanent secretary in Kogi State, is going to the office on Okada. May God God forgive APC. May God forgive APC. By the grace of God, we are going to promote tourism. We are going to make Kogi State a tourist attraction to the whole world. We are going to develop the best plateau you have in sub-Saharan Africa in Mount Patti. We are going to put cable cars on Mount Patti. We are going to develop Mount Patti, and it will become a place of envy to all countries of the world. We are going to promote tourism on water. Between Natako and Jamata, we shall have boat clubs. We will invite partners from the whole world to provide infrastructure on PPP, on build, operate, and transfer. We will build 3-star hotel in water. We will build 5-star hotel, and this will attract, investors from all over the world. We are going to have the best cruise in the world. Today, if you go to Miami, there is 4 hours, 15 minutes cruise by the beach. From Lokoja to Onitsha, it is 8 hours cruise. It is the farthest and longest cruise in the world. We shall advertise on BBC, Al Jazeera, and CNN to announce that the farthest air cruise in the world is in Lokoja. We shall, through tourism, improve our IGR without taxing poverty. We are not going to go to a mechanic shop. We are not going to go to Meshai and begin to place burden on them. We will think outside the box. We will develop our education and reform our curriculum. ICT and technology will be introduced to all schools in Kogi State. Because today, ideas rule the world. Ideas now rule the world. That's why you will see Uber. You will be the one to buy the car. You will drive the car. You will buy the car. You will service the car. And Uber will make money. That is idea. Nigeria gave palm oil simply to Malaysia in the 1970s. Today, Malaysia is the biggest and largest exporter of palm oil in the world. What happened to Malaysia? Leadership. Today, Nigeria borrowed Dubai money in the early 80s. Dubai today have the busiest air routes in the world. Dubai is not a country. Dubai is not even the capital of Abu Dhabi, of United Arab Emirates. It is Abu Dhabi. But Dubai today is what it is because of leadership. We will also talk the same of Singapore, the country that lived the second stage of development, Lee Kuan Yew and Lee Kuan Yew. And you can see that they lived from third world to fourth world. What happened to Singapore? Leadership. We will do the same thing that is happening in Rwanda, a country where 3 million people were murdered to genocide. Country where there is a sharp tribal and ethnic division between the Hutus and the Tutsis. Today, they have the best GDP in Africa. Every international seminar in Africa is taking place in Kigali. Today, all funds produced in Rwanda are produced, and used in Rwanda are produced in Rwanda. What are we saying? What happened to Rwanda? Leadership. That is the same leadership that Atiku Abubakar wanted to give to this country. And I want to announce that Atiku is coming. And I want to say, I've studied Atiku Abubakar over the years. I am a junior Atiku Abubakar. I am a good student. And I am a good student. And I'm telling you that because of people like that around me, we will succeed in Kogi State. We are going to build 4 new districts in 4 years. In 4 years, we are going to build the new Lokoja. York was in existence before New York came to being. Zealand was there before New Zealand came. Delhi was there before New Delhi came. By the grace of God, in 4 years, we are going to build new Lokoja. Kogi State is a strategic state, is the richest state in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We are blessed with mineral resources from uranium to titanium to lithium to assure you that the only one that has been tapped out of all these resources is limestone. We are going to tap the rest, we will explore them, we will develop them, we will commercialize them, we will distribute them, and we will improve our IGR. We are going to be dedicated to the payment of pension. We will pay gratuity. Our promotions will be cash backed. We will promote the youth and women. They are our strongest weapon. We will have the largest percentage of women and youth in any state government in Nigeria. We shall support you in all your endeavor. Because of time, I will want to stop here. I promise the people of Kogi, you are welcome to a new dawn. You are welcome to a new era. You are welcome to freedom. You are welcome to liberation. You are welcome to development. You are welcome to PDP. And I want to say, despite the fact that they blocked all venues for us to be used today, our people that are coming from the east, they were shooting at them, they blocked the road, they said they should not come. But are you not here? Can anybody block you on Saturday? By the grace of God, on the 28th of January, after my swearing in on the 27th, the gate of Government House shall be open and liberation will come to Kogi State. On Saturday, please, every one of you should go and vote for PDP. The umbrella is there. Don't vote for all those small parties that have no political fallopian tube. Don't vote for those small parties that have no key holder. Don't vote for all those small parties that have no structure. Vote for the PDP and vote for your liberation. Kogi, I also want to end this way. Please, can you all give Barrister Adiza, Natasha, Akoti, Uduagan a round of applause? Please, let's give her a round of applause. And I congratulate once again the people of the Central and my sister Natasha. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. PDP!
And you have an opportunity through your vote on Saturday to decide which party controls the affairs of the state. PDP is the party. I urge you to support PDP. PDP is going through some setback now, but we'll overcome it and we'll move on. That is the way life is. You know, PDP will improve agriculture, create employment for the young people, improve on education, and focus on industrialization. We have a lot of solid minerals, people talk about it, but we have not exploited it to the level. I believe that with the candidates you have, well-packaged, well-experienced, legislative experience, governance experience, you will move Kogi forward. So I urge you, vote for PDP, and happiness will come back to this state. God bless you all. Thank you very much. First, I want to appeal to the INEC and INEC headquarters to conduct free and fair election, and also to appeal to the security agencies that the country is under tension. The only thing that can cool this country down is to conduct free and fair election. And so, Kogi people, don't be afraid. On that day, on Saturday, come out in mass and vote for PDP. Vote for you. Dino, Melaye. Your state is bankrupt as of today. The APC government. The only person that can put the state out of the wood is Dino. And so, will you vote for Dino? Now raise your hand. Let me see your hand. you.
Dino, you must vote for PDP. And Dino and Adiba are the people representing the face of PDP. I want you not to be intimidated. Nobody can intimidate you. We shall lead force with force. We shall lead force with force. I want to assure you that your security is guaranteed. Your security is go to the police station and vote PDP and you are home and dry. May God Almighty accept our request of it. Thank you.
Melaye city of Lokoja declare support and give high recommendation to the people of Kogi State to vote en masse for Senator Dino Melaye come Saturday, 11 November 2023. The reasons are very clear. You have tested whatever it is in the last 8 years. You have seen the best that they could offer. And I'm sure that the people of Kogi State are in their need of repositioning, in their need of leadership. I therefore commend that you come out en masse to vote for Dino Melaye and vote for PDP. Dino is tested amongst all of the candidates that are running for governorship of Kogi State today. Dino is the most highly competent, most highly rated, and most highly tested. He has friends from across the globe that will help him and support him develop Kogi State. Please, our women, our youth, our elders, the good people of Kogi State, come out and vote for PDP and Dino Melaye and his running mate. God bless you. PDP, power to the people.
Do you know why I know you are going to win on Saturday? This very strategy of locking out the PDP from legitimate venues happened to us in Osun State. I led the PDP team to Osun State. We held a rally at the state secretariat like this, and we resolved to vote out APC, and we voted APC in Osun State. I want us to resolve on Saturday, you, the good people of Kogi State, will vote to reject APC in this state. Not only you vote to reject them, but you defend those votes. You know how to do it. I know you know. I know you know. And let me tell you, if you do that, and Dino becomes your governor, you are going to have one of the best governors in this country. Because I have worked with Dino since 1999. I know him as a member of the House of Reps, and I know what we did together. I know him as a senator, and I know how we work together. He is committed, he is determined, he is patriotic, and he is courageous. These are attributes that you are looking for in a leader. And he doesn't kill people like the present governor who kills people. So the people of Kogi State, I'm appealing to you for the sake of yourselves and for the sake of people of Kogi State, I'm appealing to you on Saturday to come out en masse, vote for PDP, and defend the vote. As he stopped us, like the chairman said, from having a rally here, yes, he closed the stadium which he did not build, which was built by PDP anyway. He closed all the hotels in town so that you cannot come. Have you not come? If you are determined and you are committed, you will do it on Saturday. I want to assure you, you have the total and complete support of the leadership of this party. To make sure that we allow you to vote and we also allow you to protect your vote. Don't miss this golden opportunity. This is the opportunity that you will use. You understand? You understand? I hope you will not disappoint me. Are you going to disappoint me? Are you going to disappoint me? Are you going to disappoint me?